Hey everybody, this is Liam Martin from the internet, and today I want to talk about living remotely. A lot of people work remotely, and the advantages that it gives you is the ability to actually travel wherever you want. So right now I'm in Ubud Bali in Indonesia, and I thought I would actually give you an example of what one of these types of places looks like. So we're at Kajane Mua, which is a hotel in downtown Ubud, and this is one of those villas. We're going to show you right now what it looks like. Also, one of these other points, right down here you can see these are some of the offerings that they're going to basically put out for you every single day. Don't step on them, try to be respectful towards them, but every single day you're going to have that usually on the streets in front of your villas, because they just respecting the gods is a really important thing here, and you want to be able to make sure that you're taking good care of those types of things whenever you end up coming to a place like Ubud. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so this is, as I said, about a standard villa in downtown Ubud. We actually are booking about 40 rooms like this at this resort for our company retreat, and this one actually cost us about $100 a day. We're gonna put 2 people in here, so it's about $50 a day, which is amazing value when you think about what you could get in other places around the world. It's really awesome. You've got your own personal pool that you can jump into whenever you want. You've got these beautiful kind of like just laid back chairs that you can hang out at, which to me I actually have done a lot of work just sort of laying back here, working on my computer, hanging out by the pool. It's been pretty sweet. Also too, if you take a look, everywhere the woodwork is absolutely amazing. So this actual villa is about 200 years old, and all of the wood is reclaimed wood. So the house that we're going to show you up here in a minute, that's actually a 200-year-old reclaimed house that they brought here. It was out somewhere in Bali or another island. They grabbed it, they disassembled it, and they reassembled it here. So that's really neat. If you can get one of those places, I highly suggest you check it out. So this is the general living room area. As you can see, everything here is really, wood is a central component of the way that they do things. Even when you look at this couch, the couch here, I mean, this slab of wood is about 3 inches thick, which is so cool. You don't get that type of thing in North America. It's just not available. So to me, it's just absolutely fantastic, because you just wouldn't get access to that kind of stuff in North America. And I've just been working here the last couple days, so it's got really good internet. We've got about 20 megabit per second internet here at Kajane Mua. And it's been great. You know, I've been able to watch YouTube videos, I've been able to do Skype calls, everything that you generally would do back in North America, you can do here without that much issue whatsoever. So really easy to be able to just get to work. If you guys thought that that was gonna be an issue, it's absolutely not an issue when you're in Bali. So let me take you around here. This is kind of cool too. We've got a couple people kind of sitting in this thing. It gets away from you from time to time if you had a couple drinks, but it's pretty cool. And let me bring you into what I think is one of the coolest places in this entire villa, which is the bathrooms. So bathrooms in Ubud are kind of special. They always want to just give you the most amazing bathroom humanly possible. So let's go check that out right now. Waterfall shower that comes down, and This is one of the things that you'll have in Bali that you don't really have in other places. Most of the bathrooms are open air. So you can see here, like literally when it rains, you'll get the rain right through here, which is quite beautiful. And all of that greenery comes in, which is really cool too. So the best part of this bathroom, however, is, in my opinion, the tub. This is the coolest tub that I've ever seen in a villa. You could literally toss, I'd say like 3 or 4 people in this thing, and it's around all of these vines that you can see in the background here, and it's just, I haven't tried it out yet. I'm really gonna try to make sure that I try it before I leave this villa, before we actually go on to even better villa, which I'm probably gonna also record as well for you guys. But it's just so cool and it's very relaxing. As I said, open air as well. So you can get the indoor and the outdoor, and very, very cool. All right, let's go upstairs. Another thing as well is with a lot of these resorts, they're gonna give you like a mini bar, right? And you know, they got drinks and peanuts and that kind of stuff. And they're actually pretty reasonably priced. Like Cokes work out to about 10,000 rupiah, which is approximately $1 US, maybe a little bit less. So not that big of an issue. You know, if you thought the mini bar is way too expensive, it's not. It's actually pretty reasonable. Another thing that I wanted to mention as well is if you're at a good resort, you're actually going to end up having a turn down service. And a part of the turn down service here at the Kajane Mua is they end up giving you a mosquito repellent incense. And that incense is going to keep those mosquitoes away. So let's go upstairs to the second floor. Okay, so we're up on the second floor, and as I said before, this second floor is a completely reclaimed wood hut, basically. And it was on another island. They grabbed it, they saved it from rotting away, they disassembled it, and then they reassembled it here. So it's really beautiful. I mean, as you can see here, all of the woodwork is absolutely fantastic. And a lot of the places in Ubud are going to be really open air, so you can see that there's holes everywhere. Don't be worried about that. The AC units that they have here are going to be able to kind of keep you cool in these types of places. They're not exactly the most power efficient, but they're going to keep you cool. So this is basically the bedroom. As you can see, there's 2 single beds here. And another thing that you want to be able to make sure that you have is mosquito netting, and you need to be able to use it, particularly if you've got an open air villa like this. Mosquito netting is a big plus if you're looking for a villa to be able to check out. Also, right out here, you've got a second bathroom, so if you're too lazy to actually go downstairs, you can use this bathroom as well. I don't know why, I think it's kind of nuts, but it's absolutely amazing. And you've got a beautiful view out down to your pool down there, which is also quite nice. For me, it's absolutely fantastic. All right, let's head out to, I think, the last part of this villa, which is the coolest part of this villa. Come with me. So the coolest part of this villa, in my opinion, is you've got these doors here that open out onto this little front porch that you're actually served afternoon tea here every day at the Kajane Mua, which is really cool, and they do their tea service right down here. So literally at the end of the day, you can sit down here, have your tea, and hang out in front of this beautiful view of all this greenery that you've got at the Kajane Mua, and just appreciate all of the woodwork that is on the walls and just this beautiful place that you really wouldn't have had access to if you lived in North America. So that's my general review of this villa. As I said before, it's about $100 a night. Now, don't hold me to that because we have about 40 rooms that we're booking for our company retreat. So I'm sure we got best pricing, and it's probably gonna be a little bit more expensive for you if you're just getting this single villa. But to me, it is a great value for money. and there's a ton of other villas that you can get that are probably competitively priced around that price point. So if anyone's thinking about working remotely, you can live literally in the lap of luxury for the same rent that you would have back in North America. So that's it. If you have any other questions about villas, please ask them down below, and then I can hopefully answer those for you. And until then, I'll talk to you in the next one.